Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram DMs or messages problem easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple, just open the settings page on any Android phone and then scroll down and go to the apps manager or the permissions, and then all what you have to do is go to apps. Now wait a few seconds and it will take you to this page where you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it like this. And now all what you have to do is simple. Just click on this open by default option and then click on this option here and make sure to make it enabled like this. Go back, click on power usage and make sure to enable this power option. Go back and this time click on storage and click on clear data. And then all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.